What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry I missed you last week. Man, it has been hotter than fish grease out here. Let me get my bear here. Look, it is dark 30 here in the shop. It's the only time when it's like cool enough I can come out here. So coming up shortly, I'm probably gonna have a video that entails me putting an air conditioner in this shop because shit's hot and wow. But so I was at the Harbor Freights today, and a couple videos back we changed some oil in some vehicles, and Addie said, I want a red rag, I don't want one of them paper towels. So guess what, kid? Today when I was at the Harbor Freight, I bought a 50 pack of red rags. And if you spent more than $29 or something, they gave you a free bucket. And so I bought an air hose reel. Yay! So today, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put that air hose reel up. Now, where are we gonna put it? I don't know. So, best place I can think of would be right up there somewhere. Maybe right there somewhere. Maybe somewhere over there. Maybe right there. Right there. I don't know. It's probably gonna end up right there. Oh, right there, right there. So I can drag the hose out the door and whatnot. So we're gonna put that up, unbox it, get it ready to go, take you guys along for the ride. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Get that shit out of here. Woo! Merlin, what is it? 3/8 air hose reel, 50 feet long. So, all right. Now, we'll stick it to the wall. All right, so I cut this board just to have something to screw to, so I can, you know, screw it to the wall. Well, YouTubers, I guess it doesn't matter what the temperature is. But ow, it's hot. So I would show you pumping air through it, but somebody didn't follow his own rule. You know, the 7 Ps, proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. Yeah. So I didn't get a quick connect, and I don't got nothing to hook it up from here to here. I suppose I could, you know, take apart that hose but now I want a dedicated hose to that so I don't tear up my other hose, so I can reach even further with air. So there it is, guys. Harbor Freight, what does it say? Merlin. It's, like I said, 3/8 hose, 50 feet, hose reel. Finally, my wife can quit griping about that being on the floor, because I'll tell you what, first thing she does when she comes out here to like help me clean the shop or pick up things or whatever, she picks up that damn air hose. And it's a never-ending eyesore. It's always there on the floor. It's a pain in the ass. So now that I got an automatic retracting hose reel, I think it'll be a big improvement for the shop. So until next time, like I said before, 1,012 times, actually 45, because this is my 46th video. If you like what you see here today, like, share, subscribe. We will be back on that Yoder in the background before you know it. Hopefully the weather cooled down. Like I said, I got a lot of cool shit for it, so we'll get back on it soon. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Have a good day.